Sir Albert Douglas, Area Administrator, for their generosity in providing school supplies and hygiene kits to our learners. Your Clients and Community Services program truly makes a difference in the lives of our pupils. Palaguin ang Pag-asa is indeed an embodiment of your organization's vision and mission. Thank you for being our partner in education and community care. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. A round of applause, please. In behalf of Sir Ruben, who is not with us today, due to prior commitment and activities, Sir Ruben, thank you so much. Daming pasalamat. Meron pa ito pangapon, bago po natin ang MC. Sir, may nag-inquire, single ba daw?